Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Today we're going to try to install LUT on DaVinci Resolve 17. Okay, yeah, beautiful. As you can see, this is what I done on DaVinci Resolve LUT. Okay, free LUT. I have all of this and I will try to test also this with you. First of all, open Windows, go on System, go looking for users, and when you find users, follow your name. Now go on alphabet data. Now when you come alphabet data, you have warming and unwarming. What can we do? Follow me very well. You have the name of the software what you looking for. This is Black Magic Design. Now you have DaVinci Resolve here open. You have support, and when you see support, you have something beautiful here. This is LUT for the double click, and you have now access to all of this, all of LUT. You can create a folder if you want, where you can put your LUT. And for me, I want just to take this folder that I have saved and copy this folder here. Okay, now this LUT is here. This is 33 LUTs. Wow, this is something crazy. I want just to test one by one if it's possible. Crazy. You can go on Google and looking for the same LUT and you will have this. Now let me show you if it is installed in DaVinci Resolve 17. Let's check together. Let's check and test. Don't forget to like and share this video because it's amazing. God bless you. This is my Azure Works 3G, and you can see it's not a joke. Okay, welcome. Let me open a project. And this is what I have. Great. Now, as you can see, it's not bad. Great. Beautiful. This is a video that I have from iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is from iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay. Nice. Let me do something like that. Just to take a sequence. Now, I have all of this. Step as B. And go. Beautiful. Look at what I have here. Okay, cool. Come here. Select the video. I want to put my computer in performance and get ready. Wonderful. Okay, great. Increase the size. Great. Nice. Now let's find each face folder is here. Let's find. However, it's not here yet. What can I do? Refresh. Face. Okay, as you can see, it's not here. Only all of these. Okay, let me do something like what can I do? Okay, let me try something. Let me add this LUT here in red folder. Close. Now let's try to open. I have LUT all of this LUT. Now put in red. No. Before doing this, let me open this one. This is red. Now copy inside. Transfer inside. Okay, it's here. What can I do? I need to do something. Now let me just take all of this, put this inside. Okay. Now let's test in DaVinci result to see if it's here. Get ready. Okay. Double click. Come back. Now when I click on red, nothing appear here. Why? Okay, let me test something quick. Okay, I want you to try another thing to see to install this. Okay, when you click this, refresh. Now open location. Open location, brother. Close this. Okay, desktop. Okay, wait, it's here. Nice. Now I want just to open location. It's not working. Why? Okay, let me do something quickly. Don't know what is not working, but okay, let me do something quickly. I have to click on innovation and go on support and LUTs, and let me try to do something. Okay, take this LUT and put this. Okay, put this where? In this folder. Okay, it's inside. No, close this one and refresh. And boom! And it's back! Do you believe this? God is good! All the time! All the time God is good! Look at what you have here. It's here. Do you believe this? I can see it's not here anymore. Ay ay ay! Now you have installed very well your LUTs. Ha ha ha! This is how to install LUTs in DaVinci 17. Wow! Now let's start the test. Okay, let's start the test. This is my image. Let me add something crazy. Want to work with vision? No, look at the first, the second, after, again. Wow, another one, another one. Okay, another one, another one. Wow, not bad. Another LUT, another LUT. What is this? What are you doing? Not bad. Nice. Oh, this is nice. Fragile. Not bad. Look at this color. Look at that. Not bad. Great. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, not bad, not bad. Do you believe it? Look at that. Nice. Ctl plus S. Save. Okay, I need to choose just one. Let's test Fajado. Double click and look at that. The previews. Oh, look at what you have here. Look at what you have now. Not bad. This is something different. Something very, very, very different. Look at how it looks like. This is his box. Okay, let me export this video quickly. Okay. Nice. Okay. Just test DaVinci LUTs. Okay. Good. Render on. Get ready. Okay, nice. Also, but it's recording. Okay, great. Okay. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max video. This is my phone. My phone is here in front of you, as you can see. Great. Okay, it's finished. Now let's watch the video. Where are you? It's here. Open with what? Gun player first. All of this quick, wow. Wonderful. This is his box, amazing box. As you can see, it's not a joke. As you can see, it's crazy. Now, autofocus number one. Look at. Is this fast? Beautiful. Nice. Very good. Wow, as you can see, it's definitely not a joke. Look at this. Okay, amazing cellular phone. As you can see, do you see very well? Okay, autofocus. Damn. Now let's see the original video. The original video, okay? The original video is here. Good morning. Look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. As you can see, this is the original version. The original version. Damn. Okay, autofocus. Damn. Now let's see the video, the new one. All of this quick, wonderful. Look at that. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? How is possible? You have different colors. Let me open this with another player like Media Player Classic. Good morning. Nice. Now I have two videos. What's the next? Where are you? Come player, where are you? Okay, you are here. Get ready to see this. Now, add 2 videos here. Let me adjust size, good size, and okay, good. Now look at the above. Look at the above videos. Wow. So crazy. This is the effect about the LUT. Damn. What do you think? What do you think? Seriously? Wow. Definitely not a joke. Now, this is the original version. This is LUT effect. LUT effect. Do you believe this? Which is better? Look at the color of this thing. Look at the color. And now look at this color. This is the original color. Original color. This is with effect. Wow. Are you original or fake? This is my question for you now. Number one, look at his box, amazing box. As you can see, it's not a joke. As you can see, it's crazy. Now, okay, thanks for watching. I also hope this video is helpful for you. Now, I see you later for more videos in next video for the God bless you. God bless your family. God bless every single people in your family. God is good every time, and it's so amazing. Okay, oh, look at how this thing look like. Double click, nice, not bad. Grande, this is grande. And you can also do what you want, saturation, change everything here, add what you want, do what you want easily also. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and see you later for more videos.